Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of ladder or stairs in Autodesk Inventor. In this, we will also use insert frame feature to construct the side railings. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Now to make the ladder, go to line command. Here make a line of dimension 300 mm. Okay. Now make the basic steps. First, this second, third, fourth, and this is fifth. Okay. Now escape. Now select all these lines and from here select equal constraint. Now all the stairs are equal. Now go to offset command, select this and drag it downwards and take offset of 150 mm. Okay. Now go to line command and join this end. Similarly join this end. Okay. Now finish sketch. Rotate the view. Now go to extrude command and take a distance of 1500. Okay. Take extrude from midpoint. So go to symmetric and okay. Now to make the side railings, go to plane, select offset from plane, select this face and give distance minus 100 mm and okay. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch. Now go to line command, take a line from here of 1000 mm, make a taper line and join at this center point. Escape. Select this line and go to vertical constraint. Now this is vertically aligned. Now go to dimension. From here the dimension will be 300 mm. Okay. And give this dimension also 1000. Escape. Now okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this base and select this base. Now it is horizontally aligned. Now escape. Now go to line command. From this center point, make a line till here. Similarly, at each step we will make this. Go to line command once again. This center point, go to line from this center, again line command from this center point here and escape. Now go to trim entities, trim this outer and okay. Now escape. Now finish sketch. So this will be the part. Now you can hide this, select this, right click, uncheck the visibility. Okay. Now save this part. I will make a new folder here of ladder, enter and save part here, ladder, save. Now to use the insert frame feature, we will go to assembly. So go to new, make a new standard assembly in millimeter and go to create. I will call the ladder part, so go to place, select this folder and select this ladder and open. Place it over here and escape. Go to home. Okay. Now rotate this. Go to view. Change the visual style to shaded with edges. And here change it to cool light. Okay. Now go to design and select insert frame. First it will ask you to save the assembly. So go to yes. Save this assembly as assembly 2 and save. Now it will show you the frames. From here we will select ISO and here we will select the circular hollow section and the dimension will be 60.3 and 2.5 thick. Material steel mild and okay. Now from here select this line, select this, select all one by one and this last. Okay and apply and okay. Okay. Now it will generate the structure and escape. Now as you can see it is not joining properly. So go to miter, select this pipe and select this pipe and apply. Okay. Similarly select this pipe and select this pipe and apply and exit. Now you can define the color. First you can go to ladder, select the sketch and turn off its visibility. Now we don't require the sketch. Select this stair, select here for color and select 12-inch running. Okay. Similarly select this and go to appearance and from here we will select from here we will get this split face running. Okay. To make this profile at this side also, go to assemble. From here go to mirror and select this complete profile. Go to mirror plane and go to origin and we will select this mid plane XY plane. It will mirror this profile. The mirror relationships will be same and grounded. Product will be grounded. Next and okay. Okay. Now this is the final product. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a ladder or stairs in Autodesk Inventor using insert frame feature in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.